Hey guys, unbox my package we made from Nigeria. So this package came today, and it was a DHL 3 days express delivery, and this is what I got. My darling friend brought me this. I paid for it actually, but she did the shopping. She got me this Town dry prawns. I can't wait to taste this. Ouch! So I'm just gonna open one part of it to taste, but I can't wait. When this drying, I think I need to dry this. You see, if you haven't tasted Nigerian avocado, you should order or go to Nigeria and try it. The avocados we buy here, they're not even like, I'm supposed to be cooking the avocado. But yeah, I'm so happy this got to me. Like, I think the heat. I'm so happy, and it's not ripe yet. It's still very strong. So when I get home, I'm gonna open this. So I bought the roundabout, the dried one, and they have to put inside the fish. So it's actually like 3, 2, and 3. Yeah, so we got like the roundabout inside of it. So these are only the cravings. Like, I could literally buy this one here, but they're more expensive when you buy it here. But I think they're the same as well. I don't know. By the end of this video, I'll tell you how much I shop for these little things. So I've got like the roundabout. Oopsie. It's long, so they had to cut it and fit it inside the fish bowl. Paid for the express delivery. That was because of my what's it called, my pear. I can't wait to taste this. My mom normally uses this to make black soup. I just so skinny. I hope you wash it on. I can't wait. But this was the reason why I actually ordered for this, and the pear was why I had to order for this whole stuff. And guess what I have here. Akikebo. Yes, I see snail. I've got a small snail. Like, I told my friend to fry this. My things are really expensive in Nigeria now. So I can't lie. Like, this is 80,000 naira. So I bought this snail for 42,000 naira. Like, just this part, 42,000. And we did the Weibi for 200 and something thousand. Let me check. 230,000 naira to ship this thing here. So tell me. So if you ask me, I'm very happy with the order, and I feel like it was quite cheaper than the UK. We get 3 of the dry fish for like £10, which is equivalent to 20,000, and I bought like, it was almost 40 pieces. So I think I actually prefer the fresh snail. I will have to order and then cargo it here, because I like fresh, fresh meat. Like, I like the big one. They are more expensive here, but most times I prefer them because they are fresh. So the only thing I think that was expensive here was the shipping fee. Like, that was quite a lot. But anyways, we moved. My pear later got spoiled because of the heat, and yeah, I'll have to order for another one. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.